Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping real data and a clear goal. Reduce size while preserving needed quality. First, pick a codec. Lossless if you need exact recovery, lossy when size wins. Once chosen, collect 10-20 representative files including worst-case samples so results reflect production. Next, run baseline metrics: original size, compression time, and peak memory. Record them as your 0-hour benchmark so you can quantify progress. Make sure tools are installed and paths configured before moving to parameter tuning. Now you tune the algorithm. Start with block or window sizes and dictionary limits. These control compression ratio versus memory. Then modify bitrate or quality targets for lossy codecs, watching visual or signal impact. While doing this, profile CPU, memory, and disk I/O so you spot bottlenecks. Use a/B comparisons to validate improvements. Once you find promising combos, automate tests with a script that runs multiple settings and logs size, time, and quality metrics. This systematic approach prevents guesswork and accelerates convergence. You finish by validating and rolling out. First, verify integrity with checksums and full decompression of samples, then run subjective quality checks where applicable. Once validated, deploy in stages, pilot on 1-5% of traffic and monitor performance and error rates closely. If anything goes wrong, isolate by reproducing locally, compare logs, and revert to your baseline. A common troubleshooting tip: if compression ratios unexpectedly worsen, check block size, entropy modeling settings, and for corrupted or pre-compressed input files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.